What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making something really easy, something really simple. We have but we have Aiden with us. Oh my poor baby.
Take some more, Tracy.
It's so hard carrying him. Okay, so my ingredients. So we're gonna be using a can of chicken sausage gumbo, some instant white rice because rice is so freaking difficult to make, and some shrimp. It's still kind of frozen, but it's whatever. Are you pooping? Show them your outfit. He's 8 weeks now. He's officially 2 months. Yay. But okay. So the white rice, the shrimp, and the can they're gonna cook like that. So these are easy, fast, quick meals to make. So I am gonna start off by I'm gonna cook the rice first because that's probably gonna be. What are you doing? My face is so ashy. But I'm gonna start off cooking the rice first because that's probably gonna take the longest, if anything. And then I'm gonna start off with the can and then I'm gonna cook the shrimp last. Are you ready? Yeah. See, are you ready? Where's your socks, silly? Where's your socks always go missing? So we got the baby here. Gonna watch me. Okay. Inside of the can is okra, sausage, and chicken, and it already has rice in it. So I am gonna season the shrimp while I wait for the rice to finish cooking. Finish seasoning the shrimp. I already have the butter in here, so when it's ready, I put the shrimp on the skillet. What are you doing, baby? What are you doing? Okay. So I cut up some sausage as well to add into my gumbo. I'm about to add the shrimp into the buttery saucepan. Let's turn that I know. Let me go ahead and try it since I haven't tried it. Take off this little piece of shrimp. That was gonna be my video. So bad. Make sure I get a little bit of everything. A little bit of rice, a little bit of shrimp, and just a bit of salt.
Literally all anyone's ever told you your entire life. Like, listen to yourself. It's fucking exhausting.
So I didn't close out my video, so make sure you guys subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys want to see.